Welcome to this step-by-step guide to TSB Bank Personal Loan, where we will walk you through the entire process of applying for a personal loan from TSB Bank. First, you need to check if you are eligible for a TSB Bank personal loan. To be eligible, you must be at least 18 years old, a UK resident, and have a regular income. You can check the TSB Bank website for the most up-to-date eligibility criteria. Next, you need to decide how much you want to borrow and for how long. TSB Bank offers personal loans from £1,000 to £25,000, and you can choose to repay the loan over a period of 1 to 7 years. You should consider your financial situation and make sure you can afford the monthly repayments. Now, you can apply for the loan online, by phone, or in a TSB Bank branch. If you apply online or by phone, you will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your income, employment details, and bank account information. If you apply in a branch, you will need to bring some identification and proof of income with you. Once you have applied, TSB Bank will assess your creditworthiness and make a decision on your loan application. This may involve a credit check, which will look at your credit history and score. If your application is approved, you will be offered a loan with a fixed interest rate and monthly repayments. It is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before accepting it. Make sure you know the total amount you will repay, the interest rate, and any fees or charges. You should also consider the risks of missing repayments and how it may affect your credit score. Finally, if you are happy with the loan offer, you can accept it and the money will be paid into your bank account. You will then need to make the monthly repayments on time to avoid any penalties or charges. You can set up a direct debit to make the repayments automatically. And you can also make overpayments or pay off the loan early if you want to. In conclusion, applying for a TSB Bank personal loan is a straightforward process. You need to check your eligibility, decide how much you want to borrow, apply for the loan, and then accept the loan offer if you are approved. Remember to always read and understand the terms and conditions, and make sure you can afford the monthly repayments before accepting the loan.